All right, here's the progress after day 3 working on this camper shell topper. I've spent about 5.5 hours today just looking at the outside here. This is for the diesel heater hole. So I'll set my diesel heater outside on the ground and then hook up the hose to here so that it pumps hot air inside. I also added this little lip here to help prevent water from getting inside the door. Also a little roof thing for the diesel heater. Kind of reminds me of a little birdhouse in a way. Then looking inside, I added this piece on both sides. So then when it sits on the truck here, this has a little lip to grab the inside of the truck bed and help prevent the camper from moving left or right. Then inside, I added the skylight fan. That's where that's gonna go. It's 14 by 14 and it's off center because I'm gonna have the solar panel sitting on this side. That's about it on the inside. You can also see I've caulked some of the larger gaps, and I've also worked on the door. This is for the door. It's not complete because I need to set this on the truck first to get an idea of exactly how tall I need the door. So I've got a little extra space I can trim off if I need to. But yeah. Oh, and then I also added these little strip of wood here. It's the same size as my tripod jacks. And so, this is my best guess for where all the weight is gonna be, because you've got a lot of weight for all the bedding that's gonna be sitting up here. Then you can just pick up the camper right there. And by having this, it helps protect the actual camper itself without damaging it so much. I just glued it on there. You probably can't really tell, but I angled it by 15 degrees. So when water comes down, it'll hit the top here and help it run off a little more easy. There's the framing for the skylight on top. Oh, and then of course too, I added the roof. So that's now on. And yeah, we're looking good. So that's the progress of day 3. Remember to like and subscribe and stick around so we can see you in the next one. I hope you have a good day.